Lindsay Lohan's camp has been completely denying the existence, been defaming my client, stating that all of a sudden this is some nuts girl out for a payday. It is ridiculous. And right now we have two independent witnesses that were there that night that places Lindsay Lohan there. And let's not forget, Lindsay Lohan has a drug addiction problem, a drinking problem, and has been convicted of crimes of dishonesty.
Hey, Mark.
It's unbelievable that the defense, that the prosecution, I'm going back to our old story, that Lindsay Lohan's camp is threatening my client with filing a false police report. I want to see if they actually went to the police department to file the false police report. And if that is the case, I would ask them, I would invite them to try tussling with me, because I will go straight to the district attorney's office and ask them to file charges of dissuading a witness, because their actions, Lindsay Lohan's attorneys and camp's actions, has been reprehensible.
Do you know for certain, you have no question in your mind, that Lindsay Lohan was there?
All the information that I've been receiving points to that direction. We have two independent sources. One who works for the hotel that broke up the scuffle, and two, another patron that was at Smoke and Mirrors.
So what would your client want out of this? Is it the smell of money or justice here?
It's justice right now. Her name has been put through the mud based on Lindsay Lohan's attorneys in her camp trying to protect Lindsay Lohan. Denial, denial, denial. We've seen it from her camp once. We see it again. Once a liar, always a liar. We saw that with her crime of dishonesty with stealing that necklace.
Her name is through the mud, but I don't even know her name. Am I the only one? I know it's going through the mud.
I know, everyone's like, you're saying your client's name is going through the mud.
Marisa Dugas.
No one's even saying her name. They're just saying a woman.
And if you have proof that Lindsay was at the club, then Lindsay, will be in trouble, because she says she was not there.
And well, that's been her position on a lot. It's not me, someone else who did it, SODDI, one of these. I'm not there. But again,
but what is she? Wait, I have a question for you. What is your client claiming? Assault? What happened? Like, what assault did she get?
That she was stricken in the back by Lindsay Lohan, that a bunch of individuals, they were throwing ice at her, they initiated a conflict, and then had her thrown out. Right now, the Standard Hotel, another interesting fact on this, it's my understanding that the Standard Hotel is refusing law enforcement requests to provide the surveillance footage. And that really is interesting on this case, which is another little twist for it.